Hi, I'm Justin Brochetti again from FairPath. In video 1, we built a combined hypertension and diabetes care plan. In video 2, we asked Nurse Amy what we should do based on that care plan and the RPM data coming in. So now I want to show you exactly what we need to do to actually review those readings, track the RPM minutes, and talk to the patient without chasing a stopwatch. All right, so I'm back on the RPM page for this patient. And if you notice, we have our care plan. We've also got a clinical summary that Nurse Amy and our AI Perfect Agent has actually generated for us. And you'll notice that we've already started tracking several readings coming in. This is 17 readings over 10 days. Minutes associated with patient care and communication are automatically tracked. So not only are these readings coming in automatically tracked and identified and curated for 30-day billing cycles, but the 99457 and 99458 data is also automatically tracked via these billable event bars. Obviously, once they're full, they're ready to be billed. And what this does is it automatically lets me know where I'm at with this patient before I even start the process of reviewing the readings coming in. So now, back to the reviewable RPM event. For this patient, their blood pressure has been trending upward, and Nurse Amy has recommended that we reach out and reconcile some of the loose ends that are associated with this patient and things we need to communicate. We can come to the reviewable RPM events section. The timer is automatically running at 2 minutes and 53 seconds. So I'll say patient's blood pressure is trending upwards. We'll continue to monitor future readings, and I'll save review. Now, when I save that review, if you notice, it automatically applies that 3 minutes to the 99457 billable event. Now, we can also review multiple at once. If a bunch of data points come in for this patient, I can review a bunch of these trending data points all at once. So then I can set and put custom, will be calling the patient today. And then I can save time. This means when I have similar readings and similar events, I don't need to open them one by one. I can select 3 or more at a time, apply a single review note, and FairPath will add 2 minutes I spent on that block to the month's total. And if I scroll back up, you can see that 2 more minutes has been added to the 99457 billable event. Now that I've reviewed a few of these readings, I need to reach out and communicate with the patient about some of the things that Nurse Amy had mentioned that I contact the patient about. Plus, we know that their blood pressure is trending upwards. So I'm gonna scroll back up, and you'll notice that there is a call feature right next to the primary phone number. Okay, this call feature unlocks a live connection window, which allows me to call out directly to that patient. I can change the caller ID, which is where the phone number is being dialed from. I can also change where the number I'm calling from is located. So I can add my mobile device number to this dialer and call from my mobile phone instead. And if you notice, it starts tracking time immediately. I'm on the phone with myself, and I'm gonna say, "Hi, my name is Justin Brochetti. I'm calling on behalf of the doctor's office, and I wanted to contact you because we've noticed that the latest blood pressure readings have been trending upwards. How are you feeling? How's your diet going? What's your allergies looking like for your medication? Can you confirm that you do have a penicillin allergy?" And once I'm done, I simply hang up, and you'll notice that at the bottom in the notes section, you have a live call summary. Outgoing, type clinical, two-way communication, yes, and you have an auditable compliance time-stamped tracking log of that conversation that has live transcription and sentiment analysis. You'll also note that in the notes section, the care plan appears as well. This is for easy retrieval, as well as the text messages that we sent previously. So in summary, we've done a bunch of things for this patient, all easily from FairPath. FairPath handles everything from you from beginning to end. We've built a care plan that matches their dual chronic conditions. We've used Nurse Amy to do all of the work and decide what's the best course of action for this patient. And we've reviewed the patient's readings in real time and documented an outbound call all in one place with very little work. That's how you keep RPM, APCM clean without ghost minutes, extra spreadsheets, or a third-party vendor sitting between you and your patients. So if you're trying to build remote care in-house and stay audit safe, this is the workflow we built FairPath around.